Hey, how you doing? This is American Angling. I'm going to show you a few things on my Humminbird 898C HD. Show you a few things on how to customize your map settings to make it a little easier to see. Just powering on the unit here. Once it starts to load, I'll go into simulation mode. Simulation, it's the one in the center. I know it's probably a little hard to see that. Alright, now it's in simulation mode. Yeah, it showed it at the top there. And anyways, I'm going to go, if you can see what I'm hitting here. I know it kind of blows it out a little bit. We are on Lake Hubbard at the moment. Now I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And as you can see, I've already got my shading already done. That's what I want to show you what I did. So anyway, you've got the darker water here. I set this to be a 20-foot range, and then this, all the red, is a 5-foot area, like shallow area. So let me show you how I set that. I'm going to go over here to the menu, and I'm going to hit it twice, let it focus. Scroll over to chart. And contour lines, actually I like that on. I don't know why I had that off, I must have been playing with something. We've got depth colors, that's what is changing the colors here. See, now it's just a light blue. I scroll all the way over here to the now it's all, you know, kind of white and back out. So it's not easy to see all the different colors there. So I'm going to go back, menu twice, chart, go down to depth colors, usually around 2, looks pretty good, maybe 3. Just find what you like the best. And then depth highlight, now that's where the green is at. So I can set that all the way up there to 30. So now the 30-foot range is green. So if you want to target fish in a specific zone, it's a lot easier to find it. Put that back down to 20. And then you've also got the depth highlight range. So if you're at 20, you get a 2-foot, variance there. So we can, I'll show you, I'll bump this all the way up to 9. Back out. So now there's this big variance here to really make it a lot easier to see what's going on. Oh, by the way, caught a ton of sandies and hybrids here just a couple days ago, just so you know. But I'm sure they're gone by now. Anyways, so now look at that. I'm going to go back to menu, hit that twice. I'm going to go back down to, I'm going to bump this back down to about 2 feet variance. I kind of want to know where that 20-foot range is at. Got the water level offset, so if the lake is down or up, you can adjust it right here. So now we're, if the water level's down 2 feet, that's how you adjust that. Or if it's up 2 feet, it'll change all your contour lines accordingly. And we got shallow water highlight. Now that's where that red, I don't know if you can tell down here, and maybe up in here just a little bit. But I've got that set to 5 feet. So let's just bump this up to 9 feet here. I'll back out. Now there's a lot more red, a lot more like danger areas. So that's what that does. Go back. I think 5 feet is usually about good. Shallow water highlight. Go back down to about 5. You got your lake list, so you can it'll list all the lakes that's on your Humminbird. on your Lakemaster chip. See, here we go. I've got the, the brand new one? Oh, crud, I can't remember what it's called. It's got Oklahoma, Texas, Louisiana, I believe Arkansas, so I believe it's the mid-southwest. Anyways, that's it for that. That's all I want to show you right now. Oh, also, if you do turn off your contour lines, what it does is it does shading, so you can kind of see where it is. But having those contour lines is a pretty nice feature to have. So anyway, that's how you color your map.